Hey y'all, welcome back to Van Products How To. Today I'm going to be showing you how to operate a 6-way transfer seat. Now this transfer seat is in the driver's seat, and as you can see, controls are stowed directly to the right of the seat. I'm going to show you a close-up here in a second. Now to operate these controls, the vehicle must be turned off. This first one at the bottom is going to be for left and right. This middle one here is going to be for up and down. The last one will be for front and back. To operate them, you push the switch in the direction of the control you want, and the seat will act out the command. What's good about this is the actual lumbar support and other features of the van seat are still intact. There's also a little raised floor here to put your feet down onto for the hand controls. And you can see the mechanism is stored underneath once the seat is in. Let's do a little demo. So as you can see, I'm going forward and back. And what's good about this too is it can also accommodate the driver and get them to a comfortable position to drive. So maybe they need to go more forward or back. Here's up and down. Now this is for different size wheelchairs to get even with the wheelchair. It also can help with eye level of the driver if they need maybe torso support or they happen to be a little bit smaller. And here's the rotational feature of the seat for the transfer itself. Alright, let's load up. I'm going to show you two different transfers with this seat. The first one is if you want to rotate it out like so. Do a lateral transfer into the seat, rotate that seat back, and you're locked in and ready to drive. Here's another way it can be done. Little stand pivot transfer here, and I am in and ready to go. Now for loading out, it's going to be the inverse. Get the seat into a good position, transfer myself back into the chair, fire it up, and I'm ready to go. Thank y'all so much for tuning in, and we will see you next time at Van Products How To.